Hi Chatterfoxes! Do you want to sound more fluent when expressing emotions in American English? In this video, you're going to learn how to use intonation to express your emotions even better than a native in American English. So, to begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our other American English pronunciation videos. To also begin this topic about intonation, remember that there are two types of intonation in American English. One is rising intonation, meaning the tone of your voice goes like this, and the other is falling, meaning it goes down like that. So, when you're expressing emotions in English, intonation is important. For example, when you're expressing an emotion that has a lot of energy, it could be good or bad energy, you will use rising intonation. But when you're expressing an emotion that has low energy, like boredom or not wanting to do something, your intonation will be falling. So let's look at an example of that and see if you can hear the difference. First sentence. I can't wait to go to the beach this summer. I can't wait to go to the beach this summer. In contrast, I really don't want to go to this business trip tomorrow. I really don't want to go on this business trip tomorrow. Can you hear the difference? When I'm excited, my intonation goes up. And when I'm not that excited or not feeling that much energy about something, my intonation goes down. So let's try another example, and this one I want you to say with me to practice using rising versus falling intonation. Let's express our opinion about the food at a certain restaurant. If we like it, we can say, "The food here is amazing." The food here is amazing. The food here is amazing. Or, the food here is alright. The food here is alright. Meaning, the food here is just okay. It's not really that great. The food here is alright. The food here is alright. Great. Now, another example. When someone invites you to do something that you're really excited to do, you can say, "Thanks, I'd love to." Thanks, I'd love to. Rising intonation. Thanks, I'd love to. Thanks, I'd love to. Or, if you don't want to go to this thing that someone's inviting you to, you can say, "I'm not sure if I can." I'm not sure if I can. Or, "Let me see, I might be busy." Let me see, I might be busy this weekend. Let's practice those two together to differentiate between the rising and the falling intonation in these answers. So first, if you're really excited about something, you can say, "Thanks, I'd love to." Thanks, I'd love to. Or if you don't want to go, you'll say, "I'm not sure, let me see." I'm not sure, let me see. Or, "I may be busy this weekend." I may be busy this weekend. Great. Now you know how to use intonation to express high energy versus low energy emotions in American English. And now that you know how to do that, I have a question for you. Some people think that when someone invites them to do something, that it's better to say something like, "I'm not sure I can make it," or "I may be busy this weekend." Other people think it's better if you don't want to go to just say, "No, I can't make it," so that the person knows exactly what to plan for. And I want to know what you think. What is your opinion about answering an invitation? Is it better to say maybe, or is it better to just say no? Tell me your opinion in the comments section below. Can't wait to hear from you! Great job! Now you're already on your way to speaking English better than a native. But you know what's even more important than using these American expressions? Using correct pronunciation. So visit us at the link in the description to check out our fluency program and subscribe to our channel to start speaking better than a native today.